to day 24, yay, of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world. One more day to go. This has been a journey. It's been interesting. It's been fun. I hope you have enjoyed each and every video that we have posted from the 1st of Christmas. No, from the 1st of December. And today is on the 24th. And we are going to make bear paws. Yes, that's the recipe that we'll make today. Bear paws are spicy chocolate cookies that are traditionally shaped to look like a big brown bear paw. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. The recipe is from the Joy of Cookies, if I did not mention that. I have all-purpose flour and some cocoa powder, hazelnuts, cinnamon, clove and salt, eggs, butter and sugar. I will mix the flour, the cocoa powder and the hazelnuts. Next, we are going to mix our sugar, the butter, the spices and the salt. Then we'll add 1 egg at a time. Yep. We're going to add our flour mixture, but you're going to add it 1 cup at a time. We will let it sit for 5 minutes. We are back after 5 minutes. I forgot to mention that I'm going to use a Madeleine tray to make my bear paw. I read this somewhere that you can use this to shape your dough into bear paws. So the next step before we bake, putting them in the tray, and then we bake. Just basically pressing it in. Now I think I've put a lot. Yes, like that. Still a lot. Yes. I've put some butter and dusted my tray with some flour. I think that's okay. That one looks fine, huh?